Hello, Moonrakers. Here we are again. I wanted to give you a little update, even though we've said what is coming to the Moonbase project, both in our social networks and in Telegram after my absence these last weeks because of some issues. And well, the main difference is that we will be having a change on our website, which will be used as an access for our use cases that will have their own entity. And people will be able to follow the development more transparent since we now have developed their teams. And one of the use cases, I will manage directly the project and the standard and the Solidity contracts. And you'll be able to see how we are going to do with all these things. And as I said, the new webpage is coming this next week. And then the use cases will have their own website, but they will also appear in the development site in Moonbase, okay? And also, what are we doing? Well, if you've checked our light paper that is already published, as you may know, you know that we are working both in NFTs and Kike in this first stage. And the main project that I'll be working with involves sports and other memorabilia. We are still working and doing meetings and agreements. Once we sign all the agreements, we'll be able to say more. That's why it's also important to have that website and that development section so people know what we are doing in this time, okay? The front end is easy. We'll be doing, as I said, a marketplace to show what you can do once all the whole smart contract is developed, since Moonbase at last will be a whole marketplace that will allow anyone to develop their own service, be it hosting, be it a smart contract, be it an NFT marketplace, okay? This will be the last stage. But first we need some use cases that have a faster ramp up that we can show faster, okay? And that's why we are doing it like this. It takes a little while because of the agreements, especially in August, but we are on it. And if we do this kind of changes, it's because we want to make sure that people will be able to follow what we are doing, while also giving that hype that new projects also have. As you may know, people always are looking for the next new thing, okay? Especially when we are talking about the BSC. And when a new project launches and everything is into place, and as I said, these projects will have the web, the white paper, everything, and of course the development history, that will bring a huge hype to the whole MFS ecosystem. So we think this is the best way that we'll be able to move in the following days. Everything will be done, as I said, under the MFS ecosystem. We'll be getting more people to help because, of course, moving a company and moving new projects always takes time. And as I said, agreements and meetings. So because we need more time to develop the solution, to manage the whole project, I'll be coordinating all of them. We'll be getting more people and we'll be having and announcing all these people in due time. The same as our partners with developing an OpenDAX related marketplace, and of course the Solidity sources that will be behind them. We are just in the beginning, of course. It's now in a stabilizing phase because, as you may know, we are still in the beginning stages of planning. And I think that having new use cases and making it like other projects already have done, with another use cases directly linked, that brings new hype, will allow all users of Moonbase file systems to get what they want now. And also, as you know, we have switched to a new contract. We are still checking because BSC didn't update, even though it's more than a month, the whole amount. So we have to calculate them. Most of them are already checked. We are getting ready for some shilling contests. We are getting ready for some campaigns. And now in this too, it will be easy to do shilling and to updates and getting people if there is something that you may show. And since the last solution will take some time and showing simply alpha stage code wouldn't benefit us at all. We think that having tangible use cases and being able to show will help in all these campaigns. So as you know, stay with us and you won't regret it. Best regards, Moonbreakers.